Hi guys, this is Mazda CX-5. So this one has problem. You can see in here we turn on the ignition, then start the car. Okay, then hit the start button, but ignition stay on. The radio is freezing. So see, nothing happen. Not the ignition turn off. Then we start ignition again. Then the gear lever up and down and shake it. And off. See the radio and thing. We have to off this panel. They have some special unit for the gear shifter like this. So we have to replace this part. Okay, so we pop out this cover back, and there have one connector in here. That should be off. So one. So this one leave it side. So then after you have to undo two screws. One is there and one is there. So I already off the gear knob, and this cover they have some clip here underneath. You can see here we have to pop out the four claws. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So you now see the two screws in here, 1, 2. So I off this springy thingy with two claws in there. It's going like this way. Careful. Then okay, we have to remove this thing. You have the two bolt. You have to put some screwdriver and wiggle it. It's very tight. To take it out, you can hear the noises as a breaking noise. Okay. Okay, finally we take it out the thing. So this is the wiring connector. Is going the back side. Okay, this is the old part, and I got the new part in here. I'm going to install that thing. Put the wiring connector back in first. So you can see the inside of the gear shifter. You can, this one have to go in there, that hole. Very hard to grab it. Okay, we nicely sliding back. It's not hard, so you have to put the two screws. That's it. So after that we have to put back this thingy. That's it. Okay, we have to put back this cover. All good. So okay guys, we install back in all the things together, and we're going to start the car. Okay, the ignition off. Good. So again, all the thing screen on. All good. So thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one. Thanks.